In front of me is ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. Let me show you how they work. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to keypad, and we will start with the first code, the shortest one. It is *06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your ZTE Nubia N1 Lite. So smoothly enter this code and then you will be provided with unique numbers. Tap on OK to go back. And the second code is a bit longer. It is *4636 ###. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode performed by Google. And here you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Under phone information, you will find email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included. Then you can also perform a ping test here. Just click on Run Ping Test to activate it. And then you can also check the data attempts, radio resets, and so on. So just check those details that you need to, and then smoothly go back. Under user statistics, you will be able to check the detailed information about your applications. Here you've got, for example, usage time and also last time used. So here is the usage time and last time used. So let me go back. And the last one, Wi-Fi information, has for you Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. So under Wi-Fi APA, you will find disabled network, disconnected network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. Then Wi-Fi configuration, so not surprising, it's just the currently configured networks. And then Wi-Fi status, just refresh it. And here you can check the current status of your network. This mode also allows you to run a ping test. Just click here, and here it is. So let me go back. That would be all for this code, and let's go to the third one, which is *426 ###. And now we are in diagnostic mode where you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to activate advanced view, all you have to do is tap on the more icon and then tap on advanced view. And here you've got way further details. So this is it for this one. And another very useful code is *225 ***. And as you can see here, you've got the calendar info. So you've got all holidays, all celebrations, important dates that you have in your calendar right here. So you don't have to look date by date, but smoothly enter this code and then be provided with all upcoming events. And the last code that I would like to show you is *759 ###. And now we are in the back menu where you can check brand code, unique device ID, activation event sent, and so on. You can also change the OEM mode, you can turn it on and off, you can check pings, events, and also client IDs. So that would be all. This is the last code that I would like to share with you today. Thank you for watching, enjoy, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.